So SCS Manager, its mission is very simple. It's to cut service costs, okay, and improve response time. And what we do is we connect the HP devices to the cloud, okay, and we collect data. We use that data with AI and machine learning to give device and health insights to the fleets, okay? Now, when that happens, I'll give you an example. So this is MPS Monitor. These are all the devices that we've got here on the showroom, okay? And I'm going to show you specifically what we're doing with this one.
Okay.
What we're doing here is, we released what's called an inline scan bar, and it is designed to go ahead and diagnose print quality issues, remotely, okay? And so let me just get to the right machine here. I believe it is this one. And I've run this test a couple times. So you can see right here, these are all of the smart device services, features. So reboot, update firmware. You can scan the device health, access the embedded web server. We give, a lot of information about it where they can manage consumables, firmware. But what we're talking about here is this print quality diagnostics, okay? And I'm going to sort of go ahead and cheat on this because I've run it a couple times. So right now, what I can do is if someone calls in and says, I've got a print quality issue, I can trigger this to remotely print out to service pages, okay? And it is going to go ahead, after it prints those out, it captures that, analyzes it, and then tells me what's going on. So for example, I can actually, I don't want to do this one. Sorry, I did the wrong one. I wanted this one actually.
So this is something that's available to channel partners to use to serve their customers?
So right now the scan bar is only on the new Gemstone copiers. Okay, it's available in the color machines and the flow version of the Inventors. Okay. And then what happens is you get a copy of the images to what was wrong. So the dealer can go ahead and look at what's going on. And if there is a problem, which clearly there's a problem there because it's got my name on it, we are going to go ahead and tell them how to go ahead and fix that issue. Okay? So here are the recommended actions. And it will tell you what parts. And if this is a machine the technician has never worked on before, and click on that, it's going to give them a video. It's going to tell them what parts that they need. And the goal is to remove that first diagnosis call. The goal is to send the technicians out properly equipped with the right parts to fix it right the first time.
So it really reduces the service intervention time for the channel partner. Mm-hmm. And could you just explain again how it uses machine learning and AI? Is that in terms of analyzing the...
Sure. So what happens, so we collect a lot of data about the machines daily, and we can do this multiple times a day. And so over the years, we've built up, our entire HP Direct fleet and the channel partner fleet, and we've got an entire team that's all they do. Okay, is the machine learning.
Yeah.
And so we look to provide they're what are called expert rules, and that's where something's going on, maybe not enough for a partner to a customer to call in, but let you know, hey, this is we're seeing an issue with maybe the scan bar or the finisher or something like that.
Yep.
Okay. Then we've got what are called true predictive notifications, where and this is around drums and fusers, where we based on the conditions that we are seeing, we can make a prediction with high confidence that they're going to have a problem with the fuser, and then we'll send that notification. And then it's really up to the partner to do what they want with that, right? Maybe they're going to, maybe they replace it early. Maybe they're going to wait to, let the thing actually fail to get the most life out of it. But you can let them know to make sure that they've got the part on hand. So when it does fail, they can do the same thing, scan it, what's going on.